In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is tap on an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background, like that. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select floating window from the pop-up and enjoy using your app in this window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it, like that. If you wish to change size of it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you wish to use more options of pop-up view, tap on those three dots at the top of your window and tap on full size if you want to use this app in full screen view. You can also do that by holding this line at the bottom and dragging it down. You can click on minimize to turn your window into a bubble. Then tap on the bubble to access it again. You can also do that by clicking on home button and swiping tiny window to the side. Then tapping on the bubble on tiny window and then operating this one. And last but not least, you can go back into background apps and swipe yours to close your window. Or do that by clicking on close option in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!